In the heart of the storm, a hidden map emerges, promising ancient mysteries. A vision of darkness propels them towards a destiny unknown, bound by a common purpose. The journey begins, fraught with perils and foreboding whispers of imminent doom. The group relies on unseen forces, their unity tested as they navigate treacherous paths. Amidst chaos, bravery shines bright, paving the way for hope amidst gloom and despair. Deciphering the past holds the key to the future as fates intertwine in a dance of shadows and light. The hour of reckoning draws near, demanding a sacrifice no one's prepared to make. Betrayal strikes like a dagger in the dark, testing bonds forged in the crucible of adversity. Victory comes at a cost, leaving wounds unseen but hearts forever changed by the journey's end. Return home is bittersweet as they bear the marks of a realm lost and found in their soul.